We've got 4 bet trackers from 4 pretty big names. We're going to see which ones are great and which ones are garbage. I put all 4 of them head-to-head versus SlipSync, and the results were unexpected. First up, we have Pikkit. Pikkit tracks your bets by connecting to sportsbook APIs. That sounds smooth, but it comes with a few huge problems. Only some books allow it. Connections break all the time, and you're giving your login credentials to a third-party app. Even if it works, there aren't very many supported books. That means your stats are incomplete. Your ROI and profit numbers aren't even real. You end up logging things manually anyway, or just ignoring your bets from certain books completely. And like other trackers tied to sportsbooks, Pikkit makes money from sponsorships and promos. When the books are paying the tracker, whose side do you think they're really on? SlipSync is different. You upload a screenshot and your bet is tracked. It works with every sportsbook, regulated, offshore, locals, even exchanges. No credentials, no broken connections, no missing data. If you can place the bet, you can track it with SlipSync. That's not true with Pikkit. In the Pikkit versus SlipSync battle, SlipSync wins. Next up is Betstamp. Betstamp says it makes tracking easy, but here's the reality. You place a bet at your sportsbook, then you have to place it again in Betstamp. You select it from their odds screen, type in your bet amount manually, and double check that their odds match what you actually bet. That's not really automatic tracking, that's double entry bookkeeping. And while Betstamp covers more books than some apps, it still misses big offshores like BetUS and BetAnything. If you use those, you're stuck with manual logging anyway. And if you place bets that aren't tracked, stats like your ROI aren't real. Head-to-head, SlipSync wins. Next up, we have Excel. Let's be honest, Excel was never really built for bet tracking. If you're using it, you know the pain. You type in every bet by hand, which can take 30 to 60 seconds per bet. You fix broken formulas, you double-check math, and you waste hours just trying to get your basic stats. Excel belongs in the office. SlipSync belongs in betting. If you want your results fast and accurate, SlipSync is the answer. It takes a fraction of the time as manual logging. Head-to-head, SlipSync wins. Action Network's Betscan feature promises to automatically track your bets, and it works the same way as SlipSync, via screenshot upload. But here's what really happens. Betscan only works with Action Network's small list of sportsbooks. Even when it does work, it's painfully slow, it makes mistakes, and it rejects half your slips. You can't submit any bet slips from games that are in progress or have already happened. And even worse, you can only upload one bet slip at a time. That's a snail pace. Other trackers have huge problems that may never have a solution. Head-to-head, SlipSync wins. There are no fragile APIs, no double entries, no sponsorships. You just upload your screenshot and you're done. SlipSync is the only tracker that actually works with every sportsbook.